How to change your username on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can change your username on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply launch the application. Once you launch, make sure you are logged in, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. The very first thing you have to do is just come to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. You can see this is currently our username, and the right on top is our display name, which is our real or nickname. So what you have to do is, in order to edit and change our username, you just need to tap on the edit profile button over here. And as you tap on the edit profile button, you can see two options such as name and username. Keep in mind that you can change the name once a week, and you can only change the username once in a month, which means 7 days and 30 days of gap. So once you go to the username option, you can read over there, it says you can only change the username once every 30 days, which means that if you change now, you will not be able to do it for the next 30 days. However, if you've already changed it before, so you have to wait until the next 30 days in order to change it again. So make sure that you spell everything correctly, and once you do so, tap on the save button on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the save option, your TikTok username will get successfully changed, and if you're not under the 30 days period. And this is how you can go ahead and change the username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.